Zazoom!
What?
Zazoom!
Beavis? Have you, lost it?
Zazoom!
Shut up, Beavis!
Silent! The mighty Cornholio has brought you a gift.
Whoa! I hope it's something cool.
It is the gift of Zazoom! Zazoom! Zazoom!
Beavis, if you don't tell me what this Zazoom thing is, I'm gonna eat all your nachos.
Take the nachos, peasant. The mighty Cornholio will keep the gift of Zazoom. It is far more valuable than nachos.
Okay. That was cool.